Hey there everybody, how's it going? Nice to see you again. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. So this video is going to be a bit of a hodgepodge. I got a few things happening, or that happened. Last weekend I spent the weekend at the Caldwell, Idaho Beltane Fantasy Festival. So I took the OM5 Mark II with the 12 to 45 f4, and I brought this lens, and this is the 75 to 300, and this wasn't a good choice, okay, because this is a 150 to 600 millimeter equivalent, and I thought, you know, the reach, whatever, and I also wanted to test it, but it's not a great focal length paired with the 12 to 45, because the gap from 45 to 75 on micro four thirds is like an important, you know, it's 90 to 150. So that's, you know, short, medium telephoto. That range would have been very useful for street photography at this fantasy festival thing. I don't know if it's really street photography, festival photography maybe. And this lens, I found it to be, when the other lens was too short, this lens was too long. So the 45 or 40 to 150 would have been a much better choice. So, so there is that. So at the end of this video, I'll roll in some video and some photographs that I took from the 2026 Beltane Fantasy Festival. The other thing I've been working on is, so this is a digital print, there we go, a digital print on Moab and Trada matte paper. And it's nice, it's really nice. And the thing is I made a digital negative of this, and I printed it in the darkroom. And the thing that I learned up here, in this area over here, the silver paper out-resolves the resolution of the digital negatives. And so this is a silver Ilford multigrade fiber-based print, and in this area here you can kind of see the dots from the printer, and it's not acceptable to me. I mean, it's a decent print. It would be fine for a newspaper, but it's not a fine art print, which is what I'm going for. And so in thinking about it, I said to myself, well, why do these digital negatives work so well with a platinum process? And that's because I believe that the platinum process, it's not as high a resolution process as is standard silver paper. It's why they kind of went to silver-based printing, because the platinum prints, they're great for fine art, but they're not necessarily practical for super high resolution prints, okay? It's not good or bad, it's just what it is, right? It's a medium resolution. Well, the reason the digital negatives work is because the digital negatives are medium resolution. So you can get away with it, like on a shot like this one. This is, where am I? Here I am. There with this one. This is a high resolution, it's a digital negative with high resolution silver paper, and it worked fine. I happened to have laying around, and I had no idea what I was going to do with it because it was a weird paper, the Ilford Multigrade Art 300, which uses Hahnemühle cotton rag paper, and it's a matte paper, and it's a medium resolution paper. It's kind of like platinum printing with silver. And I said to myself, hey, I wonder what that would do. And believe it or not, that works. So you can make art prints on this medium resolution. Like, I finally found a use for that Hahnemühle paper. Now, it's a silver gelatin-based paper. It's a super archival if you process it properly, and it gives you an artistic. It's a very textured paper, so it not hides, but it doesn't out-resolve the negative. So that's what I learned today. Silver with that fine art, medium resolution Ilford Art 300 paper. Kind of works. More testing to come. And other than that, that's all I've got for you today. And enjoy the Beltane Fantasy Festival. And we'll see you out there. Have a great one. Bye.